It's about 8 in the morning. This is my 4th video, 5th, I'm not sure, of the snow. But it's finally snowing really nicely, and it's beautiful. If you can hear that, that's Midnight in the background crying because I made him come in because it's cold and snowing, and he don't like it. Now, if it could snow like this for Christmas, it'd be fucking awesome. Excuse my language. It'd be freaking awesome.